Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of what I hope to be a great travel watch. I made it down to the Eaton Centre in Toronto and picked up a Mission to Uranus. These are the Bio Ceramic MoonSwatch collection, collaboration with Omega X Swatch. So the box just gives you some little facts about the planet. And there's all the varieties that they have. Just slide it open. There we go. Before I unpackage the watch, let's see what's on the side. That is the warranty card. And the instructions. Oh, sorry, this is the descriptions of all the watches. This is going to be in the instructions, which I will take a look at later. This. Box then is empty. Feels like a kind of a papery plastic box. So unfortunately, it's not going to be great for storing it again. There is the plastic on that. And that's start her up. There you go. It's kind of Velcro adjustable strap. And I think the color will be great for some travel in the sun, some casual wear. So thank you for watching this quick unboxing of a Swatch Bioceramic Mission to Uranus. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and